Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, my people. Alright, so I have information to give to you, but first up, I'm going to present a video to you. Now, I am going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica, and this video is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle crashed within the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly how the motor vehicle crashed, but I got the understanding that a motorist was driving the motor vehicle, and the video shows a damaged motor vehicle that hit a certain amount of things along a roadway within the country of Jamaica. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the situation itself is being talked about, viewers and subscribers, and the video shows members of the transport authority from within the country of Jamaica, and in the video you can also hear at least one person accusing someone of doing something. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also tell me what to think based on your understanding that I get from this video, and I'm going to tell you what I think as well, viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
You got instruction to move the bus across the road. Where are you going? Where were you going? You do unroll them and that couldn't know that street. That couldn't know that street. You do unroll them. You do unroll them. You do unroll them. Hey, people that don't think, some people just have I didn't get the man steering. Didn't get the man steering. And I'm going to fix the man must have like the man. Miss it up, miss it. Miss it. What?
Okay, so did you hear those words that the person said, viewers and subscribers? Let me play back this piece of the video so that you can hear those words. Listen.
I didn't get the man steering. Didn't get the man steering. And I'm going to fix the man must have like the man. Miss it up, miss it. Miss it. What?
Alright, so you hear those words. Alright, listen to these words from another piece or another part from the video. Listen.
Where were you going? Where were you going?
You hear? Okay, now viewers and subscribers, clearly you can hear at least one person blaming someone of doing something. You can hear when a person said the word steering in the video. I'm just point out that. Yes, I mean, I said that's why I'm going to play back at least one part you can hear whatever blame. Someone that blames someone. I got the understanding that there are some allegations and assumptions that have been made about the situation based on some comments that I saw on social media, and also that at least one blame had been somewhat said or put out there pertaining to the situation that you can see and hear in the video. Alright, so I'm going to leave that right there because I don't have much confirmed information about the situation. Just to let you know about the video and about the incident. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I got information that police within the United States of America found human remains at a family's Landover home. That's within the United States of America, and a mother and her daughter had been arrested by police, and they also had been charged. I also got information that police believe that the human remains is of a 71-year-old woman who goes by the last name of Craig, and who is also believed to be the mother of one of the accused and the grandmother of one of the accused. So it is said that one of those persons who had been arrested by police is a 44-year-old woman who goes by the last name of Craig, and her daughter, who also had been arrested by police, is said to be a 19-year-old female who goes by the last name of Hardy. I got information that the mother had been accused of killing her own mother, and I got information that her daughter had been accused of trying to help her mother to get rid of the body. Now, some of you might be wondering all kind of different things about a situation like this, and I'm going to do my best to give you whatsoever information that I got about the situation. And if you like the way how I'm explaining certain things to you, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now I want you to notice that I said the word accused viewers and subscribers, because at the time when I got information about the situation, it is said that an investigation had been launched into the whole situation to identify the human remains and to also determine the cause of death. It is said that DNA can help to identify the human remains. See? That's the type of information that I got. Now, I got the understanding that law enforcers or police found the human remains at a premises or at a family's home when officers was dispatched to do a thing that some people call welfare check on a 71-year-old woman who goes by the last name of Craig. Some people might say Craig. You see me I say? And that's in the place that is known as Landover, Maryland, Prince George's County within United States of America, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that when officers arrived at the home or at the premises, they saw one of the accused, who is said to be the daughter or the female who is said to be in her 40s, Craig, and that she answered the door and she allowed officers to search the home. So it is said that at some point, law enforcers or police smell the odor of decomposition or decomposing body, and it is said at the time to be in the basement. So it is said that officers notified the department's homicide and evidence units, and that detectives determined after reviewing the home and multiple interviews that the female, who is said to be in her 40s, allegedly murdered her own mother on May 23rd. Police also believe, and I'm going to say allegedly, that the next day or at some point, the accused, who is said to be in her 40s, and her daughter, who is said to be 19-year-old and goes by the last name of Hardy, attempted to dispose of the remains, viewers and subscribers. Allegedly, let me say this, allegedly, it is said that police end up doing this whole welfare check because someone said that they haven't heard from the 71-year-old woman for a certain amount of time. It is said that authorities believe that the mother and the daughter dismembered the body and was trying to get rid of the body parts by using fire on a grill and a bonfire. So it is said that the mother and the daughter have been taken into police custody, and the mother, who goes by the last name of Craig and who is said to be in her 40s, had been charged with first-degree murder and second-degree murder, while her daughter, who goes by the last name of Hardy, is charged with accessory after the fact. Now, I got the understanding that there are some allegations about this whole situation. You know, one of those allegations is basically about what could have caused a situation like this, viewers and subscribers. But however, it is said that the police or detectives are trying to determine what's the motive. But people, this situation make me think about neighbors, you know, and if so be the case, family members. You see me, I say, me start to wonder if anyone became suspicious, you know, pertaining to the situation. You see me, I say, may I tell the people, this really and truly is a shocker. This is quite disturbing. I don't know about anybody else, but this disturbing to me. You see me, I say. So me just get information according to me get information. Oh, my people, if you like the way how I bring information to you, and if you want to stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. See, I think here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. All right, Big up and respect each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.